screenshots. Now, there is some things that I do recommend if you actually want to do this and you want to take it like serious. Is the first thing is you need to actually instruct it to create additional pages based off this original design. These right here are just dead links. So if you click on the About Us, the service, all these pages, they're just dead links. So now I wanted to create the About, Services, and the Insight and Contact page. I want you to create an About Us page, Services, Insight, and Contact page using the same design style as on the home page. Keep the design consistent. Now, what this is gonna do is it's going to generate all these pages for us, but it's also going to keep the initial design intact. All right, so now it's making the Insights page. And there you go, we got the fonts, we got everything consistent, looks great. Now, one thing to note here is that it's gonna be using the images that we gave it earlier. If you do want to add in more images, you can just go to ChatGPT and say, hey, I want you to give me more images based around this initial design, just to make sure that the images are consistent with the website. Okay, and look at this section. Ooh, I do like this, but notice here how it's using the same images. So that's just one thing to consider. And now it is making the contact page. And here is our contact page. I mean, overall, this is amazing, right? These results are really good. So this is the Insights page like I showed you earlier. The Services page, here we go. It looks great. I love these designs. I mean, I love it. I mean, this is amazing. And then here we have the About Us page, done. Here we go. Looks fantastic. And then we have our work page, which is essentially our home page. So I just basically have to say, rename this to the home page. So basically we just created this website in a matter of minutes. The website looks great.